Hey guys, so I thought we'd do a little tutorial today. It's basically an AI tool which helps you if you do long form video, if you do any training videos in your group or you've got a YouTube channel or something, if even if you've done say a 5 minute video for your Facebook profile or for TikTok or whatever, what you can do with this app is basically take the long video, put it into this app, and what it does, it makes lots of long, short form videos for you. Now it's called Opus Clip. Now I was telling my friend Claire about it yesterday. When I got into it, it was 90 minutes free a month, and it give you unlimited videos to download. But apparently they've changed it to Opus Clip 2.0, so it only gives you 30 minutes now a month, and you can only download three of the videos. Apparently so. I don't know if it's going to be the same for everybody, but as it stands, that isn't like that for me at the moment. It's obviously they want people to see. If you can see, hopefully you can see the screen. You should be able to. You'll see there it's got add more credits, so you can buy more time, which I don't suggest you do that because you don't really need to. But as you'll see, if you look at the bottom, you'll see the live that I did in the group yesterday. I took that out. It was 21 minutes long. I've took that out, and it's created me all these short form videos. See this? And it gives you a score rating of how well it might do basically on social media. So this one here was just a little snippet. It's 1 minute 16 long with a score of 99. I can edit that. You can only edit from a laptop. So all this is done from my mobile at the moment. From the mobile, you can download that. It comes with, as you'll see, look, comes with
Kind of ended up with I don't know the
I've
male version of
lost my thought process.
postnatal depression, right? And
The
it took her a
subtitles
very,
there that
very
come
long
across
time
the
to sort
screen.
of
It
this
does all that
connection with her.
automatically
So it was
for
never
you.
allowed to pick her up.
So you can go through them. Look, there's lots and lots of different ones, different scores. But it also gives you like a hook for each one. So overcoming insecurity is the real story behind my positive persona. Like that there is a hook. So you could use that hook going into your written content. You could use that video, post it into a reel, story, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever. But you could also use that hook as a headline for your videos. You could use that hook for your written content. You could take, whatever you're saying in that video, you could write it down. You can post it onto Facebook or onto your blog, wherever else you post content. So like I say, there's loads and loads and loads and loads and loads, right? Also, if I just go back to my dashboard, I've also got there my Mastering Live to Maximum Lead Gen workshop, which I did, which was an hour and 20 minutes long. So I had 90 minutes, bear in mind, for that. So anyways, what you do when you go onto this, ignore the drop a video link bit there. You don't need to press anything there. Go to choose a file. And as you can see, I've got lots of videos. Now, I don't want to use up my time to show you it working because then I won't have any time left. I'll tell you what, I'll do this 3 minute video here, right? Press on the video, press done. Then what it does, it'll start uploading. Once it's uploaded, it takes a little bit of time to do that. But once it's uploaded, you'll get a message that'll come on the screen, like an AI chat bot thing, and it'll just tell you how much percentage it's got. But it'll also say to you that you don't have to wait around. We'll send you an email when it's all done. So you can just go off it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel that. But that's how easy it is, right? And what it'll say is you'll get an email and it'll go off it. Just leave it. Go and do something else. And when you get the email, press your email. It'll bring you back to your dashboard and all your videos will be there. Now, if you do this, let me know. Have you got 90 minutes or 30 minutes? Because I'm not too sure if it's changed around for people. But what it does do, by the way, so obviously when I had 90 minutes, right? I used 120. No, I had more than that. I had 160 minutes or 130 minutes. I had a lot because my Mastering Lives was 120 minutes, and I had 10 minutes left or so. So it was 130 minutes that I had. But that went up over a week. So I had 30 odd minutes left yesterday. I've uploaded that video and now I'm up to 17. I'm now at 17 minutes. But every day, I think you get a little bit extra. So after like 1 week, you're getting it a bit more. And then I think every month you'll get like the full amount. So anyways, give it a go. Let me know what you think. It's really cool. Really, really is good. Really handy. You know, if you want to just make a lot of short form video clips for your social media. All right.